Good morning, students. Today's topic is diet and nutrition. Students, let me be specific with you all. This topic is for information about the importance of diet and nutrition, which is especially for our daily intake and also for our sports performance. But let me inform you, diet and nutrition varies from person to person and also which kind of sports he or she is playing. Now, for an example, an athlete cannot use a diet of a weightlifter or vice versa. Students, to pursue a proper diet plan and to know your level of nutrition, you need to contact your coach, dietitian, or nutritionist. In this topic, we are going to discuss the key points mentioned as balanced diet, components of diet, eating for weight control, sports nutrition, and food supplements. What is balanced diet? A diet that contains the proper proportions of carbohydrate, fats, proteins, vitamins, minerals, and water necessary to maintain good health. Students, the food is mainly a combination of carbohydrate, protein, and fat. These are the building blocks of everyone's body growth, irrespective of the body frame, which may be small, average, or large. Food is the main source for growth for everyone. What is nutrition? Nutrition is the science that interprets the nutrients and other substances in food in relation to maintenance, growth, reproduction, health, and disease of an organism. It includes food intake, absorption, assimilation, biosynthesis, metabolism, and excretion. Let me simplify this definition for you. Nutrition is the process of providing or obtaining the food necessary for health and growth. What are nutrients? A nutrient is a substance used by an organism to survive, growth, and reproduce. The requirement for dietary nutrient intake applies to animal, plants, fungi, and protists. In simple form, nutrients are the substances that provide nourishment essential for the maintenance of life and for growth. Objectives of nutrition. Hydration. It means stay hydrated. Students, always drink plenty of water as the water is very essential to regulate our body temperature. Our body is made up of 70% of water. Providing fuel. Do have good quality food which is full of nourishment and helps you to grow well. Boost performance. Food which helps in growth and performance releases instant energy to make you feel energetic soon after having food. Preserving muscle. Control the loss of muscle mass. Improve recovery. Helps in repairing muscles during rest. Kinds of nutrients. Micronutrients. Micronutrients are essential elements needed by a life in small quantities. They include microminerals and vitamins. Microminerals or trace elements includes iron, cobalt, chromium, copper, iodine, magnesium, zinc, etc. They are dietary minerals needed by the human body in very small quantities, generally less than 100 milligram per day. Our body needs these elements in small quantity, for that sake we call them as micro. Now second point is macronutrient. The nutrients which are essential and are required in large amount for growth and which are not be prepared by the body itself, and these is a need to consume micronutrients through different forms of food. like for example fat, protein and carbohydrates. These are required in large amount of in our diet. Chemical elements like potassium, magnesium, calcium are also required in large amount for our body. Components of diet. Nutritive. Food which provides energy and maintains the growth of our body. The components of the diet are further classified into micro and macronutrients. We have already discussed this in the previous slide. Non-nutritive. Food which provides minimum nutrition but gives maximum satisfaction to our taste bud. These nutrients are non-essential to the body as it is just to satisfy our taste, and very less nutrition you will get through this food. Such food contains flavors and preservatives. Example, ice cream, pizza, sandwich, potato chips and etc. Eating for weight control. As the title suggests, we need to eat to control weight. Students, we should learn to be in limit, and also we should understand our calorie requirement. Then only we will be able to lead a healthy life. And for a healthy life, exercise and diet is very important. It is not like if you are eating healthy, it means you shouldn't do exercise. Diet and exercise are interrelated to accomplish healthy life. What is healthy weight? A healthy weight is a weight which lowers the risk of health problem. General body weight and waist size are the best way to maintain a healthy weight. How to calculate body mass index, commonly known as BMI? Body mass index is a simple calculation using a person's height and weight. The formula is for BMI equal to kg by m square, where kg is a person's weight in kilogram and m square is their height in meter squared. Now BMI is further classified into this classification by WHO, means World Health Organization. According to the BMI rating, if your weight category is below 18.5, it is considered as underweight. And if it 18.5 to 24.9 belongs to that category, then it is a normal category. And if it is above 25 to 29.9, then it is considered as overweight category. If it's further increased, that above 30, then that phase is called as obesity, and further the obesity is classified into class 1, class 2 and class 3 depending upon the weight category. Students, here I like to inform you, if your weight category belongs to overweight category, the body gives an indication that you may face serious complications about your health issue in future. For that sake, you need to reduce your weight by using proper diet and physical activities. What is basal metabolic rate? Basal metabolic rate, commonly known as BMR, is defined as the rate at which your body uses energy when you are resting in order to keep vital functions going on. BMR estimates the minimum calorie a person needs in order to sustain his basic life functions during a state of rest. A person can only receive an accurate BMR estimate in a well-controlled clinical setting. Students, few scientists have discovered formula to know the daily calorie intake, but nowadays BMR machines are also available. If you are interested to know your calorie accuracy, such machines are available in Gold Gym VLCC 24 Fitness Center in our city. Students, this is a common and very popular equation to calculate BMR. For men, the formula is different, and for women, the formula is different. According to the formula, the specifications of W, H, A and F is mentioned below. You can substitute your weight, height and age in the formula, and you will come to know how many calories you are required to eat per day. And according to that, you can bifurcate your meal for breakfast, for meal, for dinner. Symptoms of vital nutritional deficiencies in body. Now, students, if you don't have your food properly, how your body will indicate that you are facing a nutritional deficiencies? Cracking sound in joints. It is deficiency because of calcium. If you ignore it, it will lead further to arthritis. Bleeding gums or ulcers. It is deficiency of vitamin C. If you ignore it, it will lead to vascular issues. Weak, brittle nails or peeling cuticles or dry hair or premature hair fall. It is deficiency of biotin. If ignored, may lead to severe hair fall or even baldness. Nails with white picks. It is deficiency of zinc. If you ignore, it will lead to retard the prematurity growth. Cracking corners of mouth or cracking heels. It is deficiency of vitamin B2. If you ignore, then you know the consequences. If you ignore the cracking corners or cracking heels, it will go on increasing. Blood may also come out through it. These will be the further consequences. Like this, there will be many indications by the body because of the deficiency of iron, hemoglobin, vitamin A, vitamin B1, B12, B6, E, and thyroid hormone. Students, these are few symptoms of nutritional deficiencies which I wanted to inform you, so you should know how important is it to maintain your health through proper diet and moderate physical activity. Factors to control weight. As I have explained you earlier, balanced diet and keep yourself hydrated. First 2 points I have explained you earlier. Eat fibrous food. Your food must contain salad like red vegetables and green vegetables. Always do medical checkups regularly, so you will come to know whether your health is fit or no. Avoid fat food. Food which contain lipids and sweets should be avoided. Alcohol is strictly prohibited. Avoid junk food. Take small meals. Balance calorie. Balance calories means, as I have explained you earlier, BMR. According to the BMR, you will come to know per day how many calories you have to eat. According to that, you have to take your meal, and the calorie intake it shouldn't be less or it shouldn't be more. You have to balance that calorie. Sports nutrition. It is the study and practice of diet and nutrition as it gives an athletic performance on application. Nutrition before competition. Usually carbohydrates is loaded before the competition phase as it helps to preserve, repair and maintain muscle and strength. Nutrition during competition. Instant energy food, stay hydrated, maintain your body weight, should have a meal at least 2 hours before. Students, nutrition helps body to fulfill all the necessities which are required to enhance your sports performance. As I said before, if you provide nutrition food, it will help you to boost your energy, preserve your muscle and also help you to recover during rest. Food supplements. Supplements are considered as an addition to an already healthy diet. Active adults or athletes may include supplements to meet the nutrition needs, improve nutrient deficiencies, enhance athletic performance, or achieve personal fitness goal. For an example, if you have diet is less in protein and you are unable to fulfill the requirement of your physique, then these food supplements will help to satisfy the need of a protein requirement. Because recently, food supplement plays a very important part of the fitness industry and sports. Students, nowadays nutrition science has become very advanced. By doing a blood test, you can learn which are the nutrition deficiencies in you. Most of the leading athletes, fitness model and sportsmen of our country are following such pattern to improve their level of nutrition, because now everyone have come to know how important is it to maintain nutrition and eat a healthy diet to improve sports in performance or attain fitness goal. Students, I think I have cleared most of the point which are required for this topic. Then too, if you seek any guidance to know your level of nutrition or to plan your diet or to achieve your fitness goal by increasing or decreasing your weight, you can meet me in colleges. Thank you. Stay home and stay fit. Bye bye.